Now we will be understanding about data types. So let's try to explore Python data types. So what are the major data types that we generally use inside the Python, guys, that we are going to see right now? So first thing, what we start with that, you guys are already aware about it. Integer, we know it, integer data type. Then we have string data type. Okay. Then we have what you can say, we have float data types. Okay. Then we have list data type. Then we have what you can say, tuple. Then we have dictionary, hmm, sets, NumPy array. We will cover it later, guys. NumPy array and data frame that we will be covering later on. You guys can accept it if someone is coming there. Okay. NumPy array and data frame, we will cover it later. Okay. So right now we are going to explore about these data types properly. These data type, we are going to understand how to utilize these data type and what the different works we can do onto these data types. Okay. So first of all, like as you know, defining integer data type x is equal to 10, it's not a problem there. So it's very simple. Defining float data type, it's not a problem there. X is equal to 100.45. It's not an issue. String data type, also we can define it properly there. Now, first of all, we are going to start with the string data type. So we need to explore some string data types functionalities actually. So string functionalities, we will explore it there. And then we will go to list, tuple, dictionary, and sets. So all these things we need to finish it somehow, guys. Okay. So let's just go inside our, what do you can say, like, VS Code and try to understand these things. Sorry, I put it this thing in your case right now. Hmm. Oh my God. I'll come by Friday, I guess, in your college.
అది పైథాన్‌లోనే కదా! వీఎస్ కోడ్
Hmm?
పైథాన్‌లోనే. వీఎస్ కోడ్.
VS Code. Yeah. Now, guys, we are going to understand about data types. Hmm. So inside the data types, first we are going to see the string data types, guys. Okay. So we will explore a lot of different things inside string data types, and then we will go for list, tuple, dictionary, and set, and then we'll try to do solve some sort of questions inside it. Okay. So first thing, what we will do, string data type. So x is equal to, we have written hello. I am a new coder there. New coder there. Okay. So this is a string data. Very simple. We know what does it do. We understand it also. That is not a problem there. Hello, I'm a new coder. We got it. And that has been saved in our x variable. So if I write x, so I will be getting this thing printed right now. Hello, I'm a new coder. It's printed right now. There is no problem inside it. Now, what are the operations we can do on the string data types? So we need to know what guys actually functionalities in our string data type. Functionality presents in a string data type, in a string data type. Okay. That is. Now, what I will do, I will tell you the majority of the function right now here only. But if some of the function is left out from my side, then I will be giving that question, that kind of questions to solve you. So you need to explore about those functions. Okay. So this is the X data. We have it right now. Hello, I'm a new coder. That is not a problem. We got it. So what are the functions we got in X? So X is a variable. And I told you yesterday the concept that whatever the data you store in the variable, your variable will behave like that. So now X will hold all kind of string functionalities actually. So if I write X dot, then I'm getting capitalize. That means I can capitalize the data, case fold, center, count, how many, maybe how many number of character is there, or all this different thing we can do. Encode ends with expand, stab, find, format mat, index, is al num, is alpha, is decimal, is digit, is lower, is numeric, is space. I cannot tell you all of the functions that is present here, okay? But some of the function, important function we will explore here, and some of the function I will give you a documentation for practice it today. So little bit more work as compared to yesterday, you need to do it today, okay? So let's try to see what are the basic function that we need to know. Okay. So X dot, first of all, what I wanted to do, upper cases. I wanted to convert the hello, I'm a new coder in a upper cases. So I'm writing in upper cases. Uppercase. If I wanted to convert into uppercase, I need to write X dot upper. Okay. So X dot upper, if I write it, so the data has been converted into upper cases right now. The data has been converted into upper cases. So if I write X here, guys, if I write X here, so what do you think? This data, whatever we have converted into upper cases, it will be also updated into the variable or not? The variable value will be updated or not if I just written X dot upper right now here. What do you think, guys? The variable will be updated.
Yes, sir.
Just try to see the variable is not updated here.
No, sir.
So try to understand. This is the key aspect of it right now. So whenever you apply a function, you got the result there. If you wanted to save that data inside the variable, you need to save it also. Suppose I wanted to save inside the variable. So X is equal to X dot upper, I need to write it. So what will happen there? This upper cases will be now saved into our X variable. So if you try to see, it has been now converted properly, and it was converted, but you saved inside the X variable right now. You updated the variable value. Okay. So you need to do this kind of work. So we need converted into uppercase. We wanted to convert into lowercase, guys. So lowercase, what we can do? We can simply write x dot lower for lower cases. So I write x dot lower. Every data has been converted into lower cases right now. If we wanted to save into the variable, we can write x is equal to x dot lower. That is not a problem there. So the data which we converted into upper cases, now it will be converted into lower cases right now. Okay. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to apply some more functionality. Suppose I wanted to apply capitalize function. So let's try to see what is the capitalize function is doing. So x dot capitalize I'm using right now, and you will try to see what it will do there. Okay. So see, more specifically, just try to see what it is saying. More specifically, make the first character have a uppercase and the rest lowercase. So capitalize will not capitalize all the data inside it. It will just make the first character inside the upper cases right now. So if you try to see, hello, I'm a new coder. Only H is being capitalized. The first character will be capitalized only if you use capitalize function, guys. So upper was converting all the data upper cases, lower all the data in lower cases. Capitalize will capitalize the first character only. It will capitalize the first character only, guys. Okay. And I'm saving into the variable. Okay. Then I have what, guys? I have title function. Title function. So what this title function is going to do, right? Let's try to see. Title function is going to x dot title if I write it. If you try to read more specifically, words start with uppercase cased characters and all remain cased character have lowercase. It's simple. Capitalize was capitalizing the first character. Title function will make the first character of each word into uppercases. First character of each word into uppercases. Just try to see. So first character of each word has been converted into uppercases. This is what title function is doing. Okay. So I need to save it also. So I have saved it right now. So I hope you guys got an idea about upper cases, lower cases, capitalize, title, all this idea. Somewhat you guys got it how this is working right now. Capitalize first character, title, each word first character it is capitalizing in, it is making in uppercase. Each word first character title function. Okay. Then what we have, guys, let's try to see. We have what we can say, index function actually. Index function. Let's just go with the index function, guys. So index function, what it will do? It will find out the index position of any character. Actually, what is there, guys? If you try to see this complete sentence, whatever we have, it is made up of characters actually. So H is a character, E is a character, L is a character, L is a character, O is a character. This space is also a character, guys. Space is also a character here. So I wanted to find out the position of any specific character or word there. Then what I can try to do, I can use index function there. So x dot index function, I can use it right now. So x dot index function, if I'm using right now, suppose I wanted to know what is the index position of this O character we have. Index position of this O character. So if you try to see, it is started with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So index position in Python will be start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 there right now. So I wanted to know what is the index position of O. So I have written O there. I've given O there. Okay. And I'm trying to find out. So index position of O is getting what? 4 right now. Index position of O, what it is getting? 4 right now. Okay. Now, if you try to find out, if you just wanted to find out ways, if I wanted to find out the index position of this space, space is also character. I wanted to find out what is the index position of this space. So if I wanted to find out what is the index position of this space, so I will give x dot index of space there. So I will be getting 5, I guess. 5 as a space position right now. Okay. Now if you try to see, guys, I got the index position of this space. First space index position, I got it right now. Very crucial, little bit tricky concept right now. First, in space index position, I got it. I wanted to know what is the index position of second space. What is the index position of third space? Okay, I wanted to know that thing. So if I wanted to know what is the index position of second space, guys, what I need to do there? Do you know what I need to do there? If I wanted to know what is the index position of second space, is your idea, guys?
Split.
How to? Hmm? No, no, not split. Anyone having any idea? What is the index position of second space? How we can get it? Okay, guys, just try to see there. So suppose this is the data right now. X is equal to hello. I am new coder. This is the data we have it right now. Now what I'm doing, guys, I'm giving index position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I wanted to know what is the index position of this second space. So whenever we call x dot index function, guys, index function, and we pass that I wanted to find out the index position of the space there, always it will give you the first space position. It will give you this space position only. That is 5 right now. But we don't want this thing. So if I don't want the first space index position, I want second index space position. Okay, second space index position. Yes. So what I will do, guys, there is one more attribute that we need to pass inside the index function. That is called start position or start num. In some places it is written start num. So what does it index function do, guys? Whenever you just give this space, whenever you just give this space that you wanted to find out, by default, start num is set it to 0. So it will start searching from the beginning of the characters. From beginning, it will start searching. From beginning, it will start searching. But guys, if you given start num is equal to 3, so what it will do from third character, it will start searching the data. If you given start num is equal to suppose 5 there or 6 there, because I've given a start num position as 6 there right now. So what it will do from sixth character, it will start searching the data. It will not start searching the data from beginning. It will start searching the data from the sixth character. So from this position, it will start searching the data. Now, guys, try to understand. If you start searching the data from this position, what we will get? Will it we will get it second space or we will get it the first space, guys? What do you think? If I start searching from sixth position, what we will get, guys? If I start searching for the space from this position, so do we get backward, or we have to go forward always. Okay, so if I'm going forward there, so the space position we will get it here or not? This is the space position we are going to get, and this will return what value? This will return 7 as the second index, second space index position right now. So the start num is important right now. This start num is very important right now. So suppose guys, I have written start num is equal to 3. Start num is equal to 3. So Naveen, you will try to tell that from which index position it will start searching. From which index position it will start searching. Start num if I have given 3.
Um, yeah, become
Start num is equal to 3 if I have given. From which index position it will start searching?
two.
From third index position. Na? From third index position. Na? From this position it will start searching. Na? So just tell me Naveen that if I wanted to get the third space position, I wanted to know what is the index position of this space. What is the index position of this space? So from where we need to start searching? From where we need to start searching?
Eight from eight.
From 8. Very good. From 8 we need to start searching, because up to that we are getting second space. So from 8 we need to start searching there. So you guys are getting what is the start num doing it here guys right now. The same concept is present inside list and tuple also guys. So you need to understand here right now. You're getting this point? Vishaka, you are getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going there in the code now. So guys, tell me if I want the second index position, second space position right now here, this second space. So what I will write it here, x dot index. I wanted to find out the space position, but second space position. So start position, what we need to give it? Start is equal to what I need to give it here. Vivek, what we need to give it start here? If I want second space position.
We'll give
Hmm? What we need to
five,
give Vivek?
five,
5 we need to give it.
six, six,
Okay.
six, I guess.
Just,
Six,
hmm,
six, six. Sorry, sir.
6 we need to give it. So 6 we directly give it there. Okay. So 6, it is giving 7th as the index position of, you see, 7th as the index position of your X right now. Okay. So we got this thing right now. This is how you can give a start position right now. So index position, we got it right now. Now, after index position, what we have is some more other lot of function.